So hello everyone, welcome you all to this video. In this video, this is the exercise 16.3 of probability chapters. We are going to do this question number 5. Okay, so see in this question is saying a pair coin with 1 marked on the one face and 6 marks on the other face and one pair die are both tossed. Okay, then find the probability that the sum of the number term up is 3. Okay, so see how we can do this. So these questions, let me first show you the sample space, then it's very easy to find this probability 3 and the sum is 12. Okay, so see what are the situations. We have one coin, but coin here is like that. The one face of the one faces on the coin is written as 1 and the other face written as what, 6. This is the coin situations. Okay, so what is the simple space here? If we write the simple space, space. Okay, simple space. So what are the things here? See, let us suppose first you have tossed the coin. So the coin either showing you 1 or 6. See, this is the special coin. Generally on the coin, head and tail are represented, but we have made a special coin on which one side we have written 1 and the other side we have written 6. So what is the outcomes here? 1 or 6 maybe. Let us first count that the coin shows 1 and die maybe shows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 may be there, or here 1, 2 may be there, or 1, 3 may be there, or 1, 4 may be there, or here it may be 1, 5, or here it may be 1, 6. Similarly, coin may show 6, so 6 and die may show 1, so 6, 1, or 6, 2, or 6, 3, or 6, 4, or 6, 5, or 6, 6. See here, don't confuse. This 1 and 6 is coming from the coin because we have made a special coin. Coin is like that. This letter suppose coin, so one side and this is the other side. So one side of the coin we have written as 1 and other side of the coin we have written as 6. This is the coin. This is the coin, two sides. Okay. So that's why 1 and 6 is there. And this second outcome is from the dice. So first is we have to find the probability of the first case is the sum of the number turned up is 3. Okay, so you can see how many cases are there where sum is 3. So one is this one, 2 plus 1 is 3, right? And any more? So no, only this one. Okay, so what is the probability here? So probability of event E, or probability that sum of outcomes is 3. So sum of turn up number is 3. That is what actually total how many? So that is nothing but Ne upon Ns. If you write the formula, Ne upon Ns means E is the outcome that is favorable to your event. So what is the events you have taken here? That the sum of the outcomes is 3. So only one outcomes that is in the favor. That sum is making 3. So what is here total number of outcomes in the favor? That is 1. And how many are total? You can count total 12 are there. So what is the answer here? 1 upon 12. So this is the probability of the first part. Got it? Second one. So what is the second one saying? See, that sum of the turn up number is 12, right? So here we have to count that the sum of turn up number, sum of turn up is 12. Okay, here what is the turn up here? The sum of the turn up here is 3 actually. So now see, we have to mark those where sum is coming out to be 12. Let us remove this one. Yes, okay, sorry, this also erased. 1 minute. Yes, so see here. Okay, so let us mark with the other color. So see here that the sum is 12. Okay, so I think only this one, you can see only this is the case where sum is what actually coming out to be 12. Okay, only this one, anything else no. So the outcomes coming out to be 12 is what you can write in the same way. Let us suppose this is E1 we have made, so Ne 1 upon Ns. So outcomes we have taken as what? sum out to be 12. This is only 1. So 1 upon 12. So this is the answer of this second part. Got it? It's so easy. Simply whatever is asking, write the total sample space and take your favorable case, count the favorable case divided by total number of cases. That is simple probability. Fine. Okay, so see this question number 6 now. See, look the question. There are 4 men and 6 women. Okay, so this is the key point. We have total 4 men and 6 women, right? In the city council. Okay, fine. So let us write the situations. What is the simplest space? Total number here in the simplest space. So the simplest space. 1 minute. Simplest space. So simplest space here. So let us write on the simple a space. Simple a space. So here we can see in the simple space how many points are there. We have total 4 men. Let us mark the men as M1, M2, M3 and M4. And we have 6 women. Let us suppose to be W1, W2, W3, W4, W5 and W6. Okay, so one member we have to select how likely that it is woman. Okay, so what is the events that we have made? Event that selected 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 that the selected person, right, or selected member is a woman. Okay, so what is in the favor of this? You can see any is equally what, either w1 to w6. If any selected, that this is the case of woman, means here it is the total 6 cases. Fine. Yes. So this is the our favorable case. And what is the total number of possible? So either any one can be selected. So we have how many options? We have total 4 men and 6 women. So total option we have 10. So what is the NS actually? NS. So NS total 10. So we want to find the probability. So what is the probability that selected member is a woman? That is 6 divided by 10. So we can cancel 3 times. This cancel 5 times. So answer of this question is coming out to be what? 3 by 5. That 3 by 5 is likely that selected member is a woman member. Fine. Hopefully you get the concept of this question. Okay, so now see this question number 7, a very good question, very conceptual. So see this question very carefully, right? So if you look here in this question is a fair coin is tossed 4 times. Fine. So fair coin is tossing 4 times. Fine. So these are the important words. And a person win 1 rupees. So a person can win 1 rupees for each head. So if the outcomes is coming head, then person will win 1 rupees. Okay. And lose 1.5 rupees for each tail turn up. So this is the situations. Okay. Now from the simple space, calculate how many different amount of money you can have after the 4 toss. Okay, so this is the first question we have. So we have to calculate the total different amount of money in the simple space. After that, find the probability of these amounts. So hopefully you get the concept. Let me explain the question once. We have 4 coins. So let us suppose we toss here. If we are getting head, so I will win 1 rupees. Let us suppose I get tail, so I have to give 1.5 rupees, that is losing of 1.5. And if you are getting tail, you will be winning 1 rupees. So after the 4 different toss if you are doing, so what is the different amount you can have? Let us first write the total sample space. So what is the possible sample space in this scenario, right? So first things, let us write the sample space for this. So sample space Let us write first sample a space of these situations, right? So what kind of the situations that the first can be shows head, second also can show head, third also can show head, and fourth also can show head, because we have got 4 coin, right? So either you toss one coin 4 times or you toss 4 coins same times. Both are same things. So this should be very clear first. So now see, let us write all the situations. So this is H, 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 T, then H, H, T, H, H, T, H, H, T, H, H, H. So this is the case we have written here. Okay. Next, see, next part can be there. T, T, H, H. Then T, H, T, H. Then what? Then it can be T, H, H, T. Then here can be H, T, H, T. Okay. Then we can write H, H, T, T. So this is the all situation we have written with the 2T. Now let us increase one more T here now. So what can be the next? Like that. H, T, T, T. What can be the next? Next it can be T, H, T, T. Then T, T, H, T. After that T, 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 H. Okay, so with these three, and so next we have to write all T. So T, 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 T. Let us count. Is we have written all the simple point or not? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. One is missing, huh? It should be 16 total. So what is the missing here? See, yes. So here one H, T, T, H. This is here missing. So now you can see we are getting total 16 outcomes here. Fine. So what is the total number of element in the simplest space? Total 16 outcomes. Fine. So from each sample space, we have to calculate how many different amount. Okay. So see, let us, when you are getting the money, when you are getting the head. So what is the situation? Maybe you may get no head, you may get one head, two head, three head, right, or four head. So 5 situation will be arise here. So case one, let us write down the case wise. So first case, let us take case number one. Case number one we are taking here, when number of head is 0, means no head is there. So what will be there in this case? See, if no head is there, no head is 0, no head is coming, so number of head is 0, right? So here the situation will be of this one only, right? It means what? All the things are what here? T, 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 T. And in this case, actually, you have to give this much amount. Means you are going to be lose. Let us assume, let us represent losing by minus. So that is minus your toss coin. You are getting tail. So you have to give minus 1.5, again minus 1.5, again minus 1.5, again minus 1.5, because here you got actually tail. So what is total minus 6 rupees here. So what is the amount here in this situation? In these situations, this is nothing but minus 6 rupees you have to pay. You have to pay R is minus 6 rupees. Okay, this is the case for this one. Case number two. Let us discuss that if one head is there, let us consider the case number 2 is when number of head is 2, number of head number of head is, let us suppose to be, first let us take to be 1. So can you write the situation here? Head 1 we have to count. So 1 head. So see here it is 2 head, 2 head, 2 head. This case 2 head up to here. So 1 head we have to count. So it is starting from here. So this one, this one, this one. See very carefully. This one also and this one also. So this sorry, here 2 heads is there. So this we can't take. So how many total case? 1, 2, 3 and 4 cases are there. Okay, let me write the cases here. That is H T T T, then T H T T, then T T H T, then T T T T T H. Okay, so this is the 4 cases. So in this case, what amount you will get in this case if any of these cases coming? Okay, so each case actually you will get here what you are getting. So let us write this. In each case, right here, in each case, in each outcomes, it's more better, each outcomes, in each trial, you can write in each trial here, trial, what we are getting here, this is head, so head is +1, then minus 1.5 because tail you are getting, then again minus 1.5, then again minus 1.5. So what is the amount? 1 minus 4.5, right? 4.5. So what we are getting total after simplifying this? So we are getting here minus of 3.5. So what is the amount here we are getting? Minus 3.5. R is minus 3.5 here. We are getting R is minus 3.5 amount. So this is the amount we are getting in this case. Okay. Next case, let us discuss case number 3. Case number 3, when number of head in outcomes is 2. If we are getting 2 head in our outcomes. So what is the situation here? 2 head you are getting, right? So of course, let us first of all see the cases situation here. What are, how many number of cases in which 2 heads are there? So 2 heads, see, so 2 head is here, it will be 1 here, we have this one, okay, then this one, then here this one, and then here this one, okay. 2 head is also here, this one, and then this one. So these are the cases in which we are getting 2 head. So how many cases are there? 1, 2. Let me, if you want to write, you can write here T T H H T H T H, after that T H H T H T H T H H T T, okay. And then here we have one more H T T H. So this is the total cases we have. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in each case here, what amount we are getting? So in each case, the amount is what? See. So in each case, amount is what here? In this case here, amount is. So what is the amount we are getting? We are getting the 2 tail and 2 head, right? So for 2 tail, you are getting actually minus 1.5, again minus 1.5, and for each tail you are getting +1. So +1, that is minus 3, and then +2. That is total you are getting actually RS minus 1 rupees. Ultimately you are in loss, minus 1 rupees, right? Next case here we have case number 4. You can discuss case number 4. Is what here? When the number of head is coming out to be 3. If number of head coming out to be what here? 3. So let us count the situation for 3 head. Okay. So 3 head means what? Either like that, head, 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 tail. Okay, and this will be head, head, tail, head, and head, tail, head, head, tail, head, head, head. So let me check once that total 4 cases are there for the one head. So 1, 2, 3, and sorry, 3 head na. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yes. So here also 4 cases are there. So yes, this 4 we have written here. So what is the amount you are getting? So in each case amount is, what is the amount you are getting here? So see, for each head you are getting 1 rupees, so 1 plus 1 plus 1, because 3 head we have, and for each tail you are getting minus 1.5, so minus 1.5 for the this tail. So that is 3 minus 1.5. Ultimately you are in gain here, that is you are getting 1.5 rupees. So here it is gain, plus means gain, minus means loss. Okay, fifth number case, the last case, case number fifth here, that number of head is 4, means all of them are showing head only. That is what? Head, 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 head. That is only one case. So what is the amount you are getting in this case? So here amount in this case. So what can be amount here? That is 1 rupees plus 1 rupees plus 1 rupees plus 1 rupees. Because when you are getting head means you will get 1 rupees. So here total 4 rupees amount. So in this case, what amount we are getting? 4 rupees. Okay. So this is the situations. So question firstly actually asking about how many different sample calculated in the different amount. So on different amount you are getting actually. Case number 1 minus 6, 1, 2, here 3, 4, 5. Total how many different amounts? Total 5 different amounts. So here you can write. So we getting total 5 different amount here, showing in different case. Here shows in different case that we have already shown here, right? This is the first question, that how many different amount. Next we have to find out the probability of this amount. Okay, so next we have to find the now probability of this amount. So first of all now the probability of first amount. Let us suppose what is the, we are getting the first case, that is minus 6. Let us suppose we are finding the probability that we are getting RS minus 6 rupees. So we have to count the total number of cases, favorable outcomes divided by total possible outcomes. So what is the total case that in the favor that you are getting minus 6? So only one case. This is T. All T if coming, then we are getting minus 6 here. Okay. So this is only one out of 16. So what is the answer of this first case? That is 1 upon 16. Second, that the probability of getting RS, second amount what we have here in the second case, you can see second case minus 3.5. okay, so that is what, minus 3.5. so that is here Ne upon Ns, you can write the same, Ne upon Ns. So how many sample point are there in the favor of minus 3.5? Second case, how many cases are there? How many points? So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So total 4 cases are there. So 4 upon here, 4 upon total sample space means 16. So you can cancel 4 times. We are getting here answer as 1 by 4. So this is the second part here. Third, if we are talking about third case, we are getting amount is minus 1, and how many cases? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 total. Okay, so probability of getting probability of getting RS minus 1. So total again the same, NE upon NS properties formula is same. So total 6 is in the favor, and here total 16. Okay, that is what 3 upon 8. So what is the answer here? 3 upon 8 is the answer. Okay, next what we have, fourth number case, that is 1.5. So probability of getting 1.5, probability of getting 1.5 rupees. So again the same formula, NE upon NS. So how many cases are in the favor for making 1.5 rupees amount? That is 1, 2, 3 and 4. That is what? 4 upon 16. 4 upon 16. We can cancel 4 times. We are getting 1 by 4 as our answer. Next case is what? Next case here we have, that is the different amount, 4 rupees, right? That is the fifth number case. So probability of getting RS 4 rupees. So see here, what is this? NE upon NS, NE upon NS. So how many cases are there that in the favor for making this amount? So only one case, that is if all showing head. So what is here actually? That is 4 upon, and that is 1 upon 16. Okay, so this is the answer, simple, 1 upon 16. So hopefully you get the concept in this question. Very good questions, very conceptual questions, right? So first of all, we have written its simple space. Then we have count, if you are getting 0 head, 1 head, 2 head, 3 head, 4 head, and for each head we are giving you 1 rupees, and for each tail we are subtracting minus 1.5, because for tail you have to lose minus 1.5 rupees, and we are calculating the different amount. After that we are finding the probability of each amount. So first case here we are getting minus 6 rupees, so we are finding the probability of getting minus 6 rupees. So you know, in for getting the 6 rupees you have only one favorable case, you can see here, that is T, all T. So that is 1 upon 16 total. How 16? Because in sample space here total we have 16 outcomes. So in the same way we are doing for all the other cases. Hopefully you get the concept. Fine. And now next question we will do in the next video. Thank you.